Imagine a world where a simple edit to your DNA could change everything. Sounds incredible, right? But more hidden dangers lurk beneath the surface of gene editing. As we race into this groundbreaking technology, we may be stepping into a minefield of unexpected consequences. It's not just about creating designer babies or curing diseases. There's a darker side that could impact us all. Picture scientists in a lab manipulating genes like a child with building blocks. But what happens when those blocks don't fit? Small mistakes in gene editing can lead to serious problems, think unintended mutations or new diseases arising from a single error. You might wonder, how does this affect me? Imagine a loved one receiving a revolutionary treatment only to discover that the very solution meant to heal them introduces new issues. This risk is real and closer than you think. As researchers push the boundaries of gene editing, essential safety protocols are often overlooked. The rush for rapid advancements can lead to hasty decisions, even as warning signs flash in the background. Are we ignoring signals that could help save lives? Consider a company promoting a new gene therapy, showcasing incredible success stories while potentially cutting corners behind the scenes. Without proper oversight, what seems like progress can quickly spiral into disaster. In a world where gene editing becomes commonplace, what risks are we accepting without fully understanding them? For every success story, how many failures remain hidden? Awareness is crucial. Stay alert to the discussions happening in the shadows of this technology. We must demand transparency and thorough testing to ensure safety protocols are genuinely enforced. As we stand on the brink of this new era, take a moment. Progress should never come at the expense of safety. Stay informed, stay curious, and remember that the most significant dangers often hide just out of sight. Have you ever wondered what happens when science pushes its limits too far? Imagine a world where gene editing can alter your DNA. But what if that incredible power hides dangers just beneath the surface? As technology races ahead, many remain unaware of the risks tied to gene editing, especially with AI now in the mix. It's not just about curing diseases, there are potential pitfalls we need to consider. Picture a scientist in a lab confidently tweaking genes with the latest AI tools. They believe they are creating miracles, but what if the algorithms they rely on are flawed? This is just a skiffy scenario, it's happening right now, and it's more concerning than you might realize. Consider a family opting for gene editing to tackle a hereditary condition. Fire-thrilled, convinced they've found the solution to their problems. But what if the AI program guiding their treatment has a significant oversight? The fallout could range from minor side effects to serious genetic mutations. Let's be real for a moment. Even the brightest scientist can falter if the data they're using is biased or incomplete. One misstep could lead to life-changing consequences. As AI becomes more embedded in this process, it learns from past outcomes, making predictions based on existing knowledge. However, that may not be enough when it comes to the complexities of human genetics. The very technology designed to help us could also become a ticking time bomb. In the rush to innovate, many safety protocols are being overlooked. The pressure to publish results and achieve breakthroughs can overshadow essential safety measures. Imagine being part of a trial that's moving too quickly, all in the name of progress. You might think, this won't happen to me. But what if you or someone you care about gets caught in this? The tension is real and the stakes are incredibly high. The hidden dangers of AI in gene editing and the neglect of safety protocols are serious issues that need our attention. So what can we do? We must advocate for transparency, rigorous testing, and an ethical approach to innovation. We need to ask the tough questions and ensure that safety is sacrificed for progress. Take a moment to reflect on this. How much do you trust the technology that could rewrite the very essence of who we are? It's time to stay informed and engaged. The future of gene editing is unfolding right now. Don't let the hidden dangers catch you off guard. If you found this discussion thought-provoking, consider subscribing for more stories that explore the uncharted territories of science and technology. Your awareness could be the first step in navigating the complexities that lie ahead. What if I told you that the future of medicine might come with hidden dangers? Imagine a world where gene editing could potentially cure diseases, but at what cost? Scientists are exploring incredible possibilities, but there's a storm brewing that many are unaware of. What if the very safety protocols designed to protect us are actually putting us at risk? When we envision gene editing, we often see miraculous cures. Yet, beneath that promise lie safety measures that could be outdated or flawed. Picture a bustling lab filled with researchers dedicated to groundbreaking technology, while many remain oblivious to the ticking time bomb hidden in their methods. Imagine a scientist excited to insert a gene that could eliminate a hereditary disease. But what happens when unintended consequences arise? Changes that were never intended could impact not just one individual, but entire generations. This is just hypothetical, it's already happening. Now consider your family. Would you want them to be part of an experiment that has been thoroughly tested? The implications extend far beyond the lab. When safety boundaries are pushed, the risks increase significantly. Lives could hinge on decisions made in the shadows. In the rush to innovate, some corners may have been cut. Oversights in research lacks regulations, and even AI-driven protocols can introduce serious risks. Imagine a computer algorithm determining genetic solutions without the human touch to grasp the nuances. What could possibly go wrong? As time goes on, the urgency grows. Scientists around the globe are calling for stricter regulations and more ethical considerations. But are their voices being heard? Many worry that the race for miraculous cures is overshadowing essential safety discussions. We need transparency, open communication, and a commitment to thorough testing. It's not just about what we can achieve, it's about ensuring that we do so safely. Sure,